Well, a fella sure has a lot to be excited about. We've hit 5,000 subscribers. Can you believe it? Nope, I can't. And I'm on here right now to announce to you we're doing a big giveaway. Now, every time we hit a goal of 1,000, every time we add on 1,000, we add on a giveaway. And so this is our 5,000, so we're giving 5 things away. The first 4 things are shirts and hats and patches and things like that. Our big giveaway is something very, very special. So let me talk to you just a little bit about how to win one of these things. So our first 4 giveaways that we're going to do, it starts today when you're watching this, March the 21st, and it's going to run until April the 11th. That's 3 weeks for you to get a chance to win either a shirt, a hat, or a patch. So the way to win that and to be entered in to win that is just to simply comment on this video. So if you'll comment on this video, you are entered to win one of those 4 things. And if you do win and we draw your name on April the 11th, I'll reach out to you and via email or on the YouTube and let you know that you won. Now, if you comment 20 million times, it's not going to give you 20 million entries. Just comment one time and you're entered in. So you've got a chance to win that. But our big giveaway is something I'm very excited for. And I have a special friend up here, Chase Spears from Paint by Spears is here. And he's going to talk a little bit about this giveaway. And it's a helmet. Now, it's not a helmet you're going to put on your head and wear down the road. It's an art piece. It's something to put up on your shelf, something to show off, something to be proud of. This helmet is so special, I kind of had a little greed well up in my heart and wanted to keep it for myself because it is so cool. I can't wait to show you it. To enter into this helmet, you need to email me, butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com. That will get you entered into this helmet giveaway. It starts today, March the 21st. It'll end the same day as the other giveaways, April the 11th. That's a Friday. So you got 3 weeks to email me. You'll be entered in to win the helmet. When you do email me, please help me out. Put in the subject, 5K helmet giveaway. Then in the email, make sure you give me your YouTube username and you give me your real name in the email. That way I know who I'm talking to. You know, if you win, somebody else doesn't try to contact me to get your prize. I realize that some folks are like, now after you see this helmet, you'll say, I really want that. I really want that helmet. I don't know if you've ever seen Napoleon Dynamite, but when the uncle's trying to sell the Tupperware and he pulls out that, what is it, Chase, that boat, sailboat or whatever, and the wife elbows the husband and says, I want that. When you see this helmet, you're going to elbow somebody and say, I want that. So I want to give you a chance to enter in more than just once. So I decided to relaunch my merchandise website. It's butlercustoms.com. And you can get on there, and for every $5 you spend on my website, you get 1 extra entry into this giveaway. And so it's a good chance for you to have more entries to get this beautiful work of art. Now, one more stipulation. If you don't email me your YouTube name and your real name, then I have no way of knowing when you order something online who you are. So if you just order something online on my website, make sure you email me your username and your real name. That way I can match up your orders and you get the credit for that. Chase, come and show us what he's designed.
Hello everybody, it's your old buddy Chase again. Don't be surprised, he's been telling y'all for a while that I was going to come back up here and I had something up my sleeve. So first and foremost, let me get this out of the way. I'm so thankful to be a part of of this channel, coming in and doing, you know, little jobs here and there. Kevin and his family has been so good to me and my family for so many years. It's definitely a blessing that they have placed on us for such a long time. Getting my start into the YouTube would have never been as possible as it has without the help of Kevin. And I owe a lot to him. To you guys, the viewers that are checking in every week, every Friday, he is so consistent and his content is so amazing. All you guys are coming back in here and you're just joining the family. 5,000 subscribers is nothing to sneeze at. You know, the amount of volume that is putting on a channel and being successful like that. You know, he's giving away these prizes and lots of other things too as well. I wanted to do something to show my appreciation to you guys for supporting a friend of mine that supported me. I love him and his family dearly, and I love you guys, especially you guys that's come over since the other day, the Sunday, when we done the live stream. A lot of you guys come over and said hello, and I appreciate that. So you guys keep coming over and checking out some of the cool stuff that's going on in my shop. Now, get down to the nitty-gritty. 5,000 subscribers needed something special. So I took a little time out of my schedule and I painted a helmet, and boy, did she come out. What I did here is I started with a metallic mini flake, and it's not super pronounced, but it is very shiny, especially when you get it out in the sunlight. Now I know that you guys are not going to be wearing this thing, and I intentionally done it that way because I don't want you guys to split your old melon. So I come in here and I taped everything off after doing that. And I just come up with a few little designs, like using the blue candy on the sides and then coming back with the red right in through here. And when I got through, I just blacked out everything around the sides and pinstriped it. Now, a happy little accident seemed to have happened. I got a little bit of reducer in the end of my gun when I was cleaning it out. The temperatures were dropping. I needed to get this thing cleared to be able to have this thing done for today. So whenever I shot it, if you're not familiar with the process of when you're doing pinstriping, the solvents have got to be completely dried out of that paint. Well, that doesn't matter if you put something harsh over top of it, it's going to cause it to crinkle. Some of the white, some of the blue, some of the red has crinkled a little bit, and I thought it was the end of the world. But after 3 layers of clear coat, I cut and I buffed this thing. And Claude, have mercy, let me tell you, did she turn out nice. All the stripes looked antiqued. And I called Kevin, I said, you tell me what you want to do. Now, we can roll with this, or I can strip her all the way back down. Well, we both agreed that we love this design. And somehow or another in the future, I'm going to have to learn how to replicate that. So anyway, that's my little insight. Now, I don't have any videos on my YouTube of me doing this. This has been a covert operation since the beginning. If you go through and you look on some of my videos, you might see her hiding over there on the shelf somewhere. But other than that, nobody's seen this until you guys today. More and more of these prizes are going to be up for grabs. The more people that come in here and we get to 6,000, 7, 8, 9, 10, I mean, that's all up to you guys. I can't thank you enough for coming in here and hanging out with my buddy Kevin. I cannot wait to see who gets this helmet.
Well, guys, as you can see, Chase just knocked it out of the park. This is so beautiful. This is why I wanted to keep it and put it on my shelf. Somebody is going to get this. Now, since he did gut the inside, I want to sign it. I want to sign the inside and might even have Chase sign it as well. Or you put your, yeah. So he already signed it on the back there. Now, if you have not checked his channel out, please do that. I'll put a link down in the description that goes right over to his channel. If you can't find that, just look at the people I'm subscribed to, and he's one of those, and his son as well, that does our intro music and our outro music. And not only that, he's giving away something on his channel when he hits 100 subscribers, and he's so close, 25 last time I checked. Yeah, so you're getting right there. I think I'll probably check it more than you do. So, because man, when I started off, listen, from the 25s and the hundreds, and then the hitting a 300. I mean, every little bit counts.
Yeah.
And what hurts the most is when you look and you check and somebody unsubscribed. That just gets you right in the heart.
It's happening.
I'm like, what? Somebody left? So thank you guys so much. We do this stuff just because of you, because of the family. What's crazy, if you look at your analytics tab, only about 30% that watch your videos are subscribers. Yeah. And that's kind of common on YouTube.
Yeah, I think mine's 33% is the people that actually subscribe to my channel, and the rest is just random people.
So the 5,000 that are subscribed, from that, a whole lot more are watching. So I wanted this to go to somebody that really likes what we do here. And I'm hoping that by you emailing me to get in on this, and by having more chances through the store to get in on this, I'm hoping it'll go to a good home. You'll be able to show it off and appreciate it. So I thank Chase so much for that, for doing this for us. And he told me when he brought it up, which I didn't know, he said, "This is the helmet you gave me a couple years ago," and I'd forgotten all about it. And so that's pretty cool. So I'll sign it. I'll have him sign it if he wants to. And good luck to you. So it starts today, March the 21st, and ends in 3 weeks on Friday, April the 11th. So thank you guys so much for being a part of our YouTube family. And I hope we just keep growing and giving away bigger. And I don't know how it can get cooler. Just as cool stuff as this. So tell your mom and them I said hi.
And don't think that I'm not entering to win this thing too.
Very good. That's true. Does that mean I can enter it too? That'd be cool.